Moriega. Gaina Muega. Endeshode.
William Samoei Ruto ni muthuri wa miaka 50 wina mutumia na ciana 6. Ni umwe wa ateti aria atongu muno guku bururi-ini, neta munini wa president, niwe muteti uria wiuge munene thutha wa president. Rurenda rwa Wikipedia rutariire ati niwe president uria wathite bururi wa Kenya ihinda ikuhi makiria ria thiku 3 gatagati ga tariki 5 nginya 8 mweri wa 10 mwaka-ini wa 2014 riria President Uhuru Kenyatta ari na cira igoti-ini ria ICC.
That how did William Ruto get here? You know, so I perfectly understand the people who believe that the only way to get anywhere is to have shortcuts.
Thabarĩ ya William Ruto gukinya haria ari ndikoretwo iri muikuru kwa kimitariria. Ari njamba njithe kuma gicagi-ini kia Kamagut kaunti-ini ya Uasin Gishu, Ruto endagia nguku. Ari o ta mundu uria ungi gicagi-ini giki na nginya akionereria president nyumba iria ikaraga ndiari na nuthu yoke nguia iria cia murigicĩirie. Andu aria mang'ethanagira nake moragio uria ngiuma kuma okia-ini nginya utonga-ini na makiria nginya gituro-ini kia munini wa president hatari nduma.
I have got here by sheer hard work. I have not been appointed to any position ever since I left school. Every position that I have got, I have competed with others. I have worked hard for it. And I haven't gotten a lift from anybody. Right? And I am very, very proud of my record.
Ruto aingirire ndurumeni-ini oteti wa bururi riria manyitanire na Cyrus Jirongo guthondeka gikundi kia njamba njithi kia YK92. Wira wakio wari gutigirira ati President Moi rungu rwa kiama gia KANU ni acoka wathani-ini hindi iria bururi wahimbiirie oteti wa ciama nyingi. Miaka 24 thutha ucio aria mari arata umuthi ni thu na mahuthanagia nginya muingi-ini.
Biashara ya kwanza Deputy President kufanya katika taifa hili ilikuwa kusupply t-shirts ya 1,200,000 LPO niliyompatia nikiwa kiongozi katika chama chetu cha siku hizo ambacho tulikuwa tunaita KANU.
Mimi sikatai, nilikuwa mtu yako ya mkono, lakini sasa unanikasirikia ya nini? Na sasa hii ni maneno ya Mungu. Ama namna gani jameni?
You should look at William Ruto and not judge him that your father was a poor man. Why do you have money today? I mean, that's primitive and backward, my friend.
Gibarua kia William Ruto makirita nyaini riake ria gukinyaniria kioneki gia gutuika president ni kuribariba muhuhu wa ungumania. Giko gia ciana cia thukuru kuhurwo na tear gas mbĩtĩka-inĩ ya kugeria kuhonokia mugunda wa thukuru wa muthingi wa Lang'ata uria wekuagirwo kuywo ni hoteli iria kuruhanagio na Ruto. Ni mbica yaya kuoya kahinda gutheria undu umwe na ciiko ingi cia ungumania iria ikoretwo igikuruhanio na William Ruto. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.
On the first issue,